Alright, this is a little scary, but here we go. First time testing out the water mode. Watch it just like sink immediately. Alright, we just need to not get it stuck. Oh, that is so cool. That is so much fun. Look at that. You can go like really kind of just like slow and cruising. Look at that. Woo! That's really cool.
Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, so good to be here with you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Eachine E016F, the Triphibian 3-in-1 RC vehicle boat drone, which is actually really cool. Here it is right here. And let me just keep this short and sweet for you. Bottom line up front, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a beginner quadcopter, especially if you want a little bit more than something that just flies. I think this is something that's really cool because younger pilots that maybe they don't have the hand-eye coordination yet to actually fly a quadcopter, this is really cool because then they can get involved with the RC and drone stuff by just using this as like a little hovercraft, you know, on the ground or on the water as like a little boat. And I was actually having a lot of fun with this on the water. So anyway, if you're looking for something like this, I think that it is actually a really great buy. It's right now it's like around $30 on Amazon, and I think it's actually like $20 or $25 on Banggood. I'll have links in the description that you can check out. So anyway, if you're interested in hearing more about this and seeing some B-roll of it, stay tuned. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And in the next video, I'll actually do like a tutorial of how to get this thing set up and kind of going through the modes and what those things do. In this video, I just kind of want to show you some B-roll of it in use and kind of what my thoughts are. To start off with, let's talk about the actual quadcopter itself. And first of all, this little Lego figure that I have on here, I put that on there myself. It does not come with one, but it does fit a little Lego figure, and that was one of the things that I thought was just so cool about this. I mean, I know it's just a little simple thing, but I thought it was really neat. And by the way, I paid for this myself, so I saw this, I thought it was really cool, and I bought it. So Eachine did not send this to me for review or anything like that. So we have, you know, pretty much a basic micro quadcopter, little battery here. It's a one cell, 350 milliamp hour battery, pretty standard stuff. But what's cool about this is the back two motors rotate, and they just pivot. There's no locking thing or anything like that. Just pivots just like that. And you can actually drive this on the ground just like that, but it's not exactly the best method, and you get a lot of hair and stuff caught up in the drone and that sort of thing. And so what you do is you just pop it in here. It has a little tab right there on the quadcopter, and then you just pop it in there. It just kind of clicks in place, and then you're basically good to go. The transmitter here, the transmitter is, I wish it was a little bit bigger. You know, it's got this kind of, you know, miniature transmitter style, which is pretty common with these types of quadcopters, but I wish the sticks were a little bit longer, give a little bit better resolution, and I don't know. Otherwise, the quality is actually not too bad. It is cheap plastic, but it doesn't really feel super cheap or anything like that. It comes with this nice little card, which is, I wish they just wrote it on the actual transmitter, but it comes with this little card that tells you what all the different functions are. I thought the packaging was good. Everything comes in here that you need. You got your battery, your quadcopter transmitter, the little boat thing, your USB charger right here, and then, you know, some other little doodads, spare propellers and stuff. So yeah, I really like this thing. I think it would make a great gift. I think it's a good beginner kind of all-in-one package, and you can do a lot of different stuff with it. I know I had a lot of fun, especially on the water. This was kind of my first little boat thing on the water. So that was a really neat experience. I think in other videos, stay tuned, we're going to be doing some modifications and improvements to this thing. We might even be putting some FPV on there to do a little exploration stuff on the water. That could be really fun. Again, if you want to see the kind of tutorial setup, go see that other video. If you want to check this out for yourself, there'll be links down in the description to Amazon and Banggood if you are outside of the United States. Well, everybody, that's all from me. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And I'm going to leave you with a little bit of B-roll. See you next time.